Contact Us Today is a company, and we specialize in energetic renovations for homeowners. And we try to make it as smooth as possible for them. There's still the financial challenge, there is still the innovation that will come at us, but at least this smoothness of the process, the easiness that we would like to tackle. We wanted to scale, we wanted to grow, to really have an impact. Because if you just do a few renovations, that's very limited. So the scalability is very at the core. And that's the moment where I think smooth sailing came in, where the initial goal of the project was, let's rebuild the platform as is into a platform 2.0, but basically we need the same functionality, the same features. Well, we thought, okay, let's do it quick and easy. We have a budget. Let's just rebuild the tool or the platform. You really challenged us there, like what do you really need? Which features are essential to the platform? Where are you lacking features? Where are you lacking options? I think you challenged us there correctly to what is the true MVP, what's the core of the platform, and let's build that first. And I think the version where we arrived at when we launched did have some features on top of where the old platform was, but it was also lacking a lot, but the non-essential ones. And I think helping us, guiding us in this quest, that was a huge added value. We released in November, less than a year after we started, with a completely new platform built from scratch. 1 month later than initially planned, but okay, what's 1 month in the life of a startup? And I think if I look back now, we never had any quality issue after we released. So, okay, we postponed, but if I look both at all the people of Smooth Sailing, also the development team, of course, that were involved, everybody had a really high bar of where is the quality. And maybe we could have launched earlier, but at least when we released, the quality was absolutely where we wanted it to be. What I found most helpful is really that initial challenge. Like sometimes a little bit of healthy challenge. Even conflict is the wrong word, but it makes the ultimate product a lot better. And yes, you can say, oh yeah, you're the client, yeah, well, we can do this what you want. But providing that critical voice, I think that was very important to us.